Welcome to this week's Marketing Minute. This week we're answering the question, why do we recommend that PRCs have a blog? A blog is considered the third phase of search engine optimization, or SEO. As a part of your SEO, blogs can be used to target keywords and phrases that your clients would put in to search for resources. It's just an added optimization tool to help those who are looking for the services you provide find you organically. This is just another way that we use, again, to optimize your organic search. As the third and final phase, once you get to blogging, you have extended your resources in search engine optimization, and you are well on your way for your clients finding you organically through Google searches. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.